How to redeem codes and grow a garden. First things first is open up roblox.com's official site or just pull up your Roblox client. Now there's actually two ways on redemption of codes and grow a garden. The very first thing that you can do is just to type in roblox.com and then slash or forward slash redeem. This specific option right here allows you to redeem a code that you can actually redeem it using the Roblox official site. And then once you've successfully redeemed it, you can open your inventory directly from the game. Now once you've typed in your unique code in Roblox redeem, you can also try to redeem the code directly from the game. What you want to do is just open up Girl Garden and then just simply use this settings right here, and then just simply scroll all the way down until you find this redeem codes option. Type your code here and tap on claim, and that is how you redeem codes and grow a garden.